John was a 10-year-old boy. Just like any other boy of his age, he had the usual tantrums with his mother. Sometimes he obeyed what she said and what his father said, and sometimes he would completely ignore them. Since this was very common in kids, John's mom did not worry a lot. It was an unexpected holiday announced by the school of John, and he had 5 holidays. He spent a good time with his mother. She took him for outings. They went to beach and amusement parks, had delicious dining, cooked his favorite foods, and played with him. 3 days were left, and John's mother wanted to clean the house and she wanted to get involved. She asked him to help her, and as a surprise, he also accepted. Everything was done to perfection. John's mommy was surprised by his actions. While she was cooking the dinner meal, John gave her a piece of paper written by him. Since his mom was busy cooking, she asked him to place the paper on the dining table. After cooking the meals, she took the paper left by her son and was shocked to see what he wrote. The piece of paper contained this list. For cutting grass in the garden, $30. Cleaning my room, $25. To help you in the kitchen, $20. For buying milk and fruits for you, $5. For taking care of my sister when you were shopping, $25. For removing the garbage, $10. The total you owe, $115. She was literally shocked. She didn't speak a word and wrote in a paper and gave it to her son. She wrote, "For carrying you 9 months, no charge. For getting severely sick when you were growing inside me, no charge. For sleepless nights taking care of you for several months, no charge. Mother and son for soothing you without getting annoyed whenever you troubled, no charge. For heartfelt prayers and passing through those dreadful days when you met with an accident when you were 3 years, no charge. Innumerable days spent without calmness and peace of mind thinking about your present and future, no charge. For taking care of you like a precious gift I never had in my life, no charge. You owe." The boy was in tears and rushed to his mom and gave a tight hug that he had never done before. John, unable to look at her, told, "Mom, I love you. I'm sorry about everything." She kissed his forehead. John crushed the paper he wrote and threw it into the dustbin. We don't understand the love of a mother, unconditional love.